Hello, children. I hope you all are good at your places. So, today we are going to do EST. Okay, and today we are going to do the last chapter of EST, that is chapter number 13, the earth and the sky. The last chapter, the earth and the sky. Children, as you all know, where do we live? We all live on earth. We all live on earth. Now, how is earth? What is the shape of earth? Earth is round in shape. Just like a ball, earth is round in shape. Okay. And it is made up of land, water, and air. Earth is made up of three things: land, water, and air. And we are going to discuss about the land, water, and air in this chapter. Okay, so first let's talk about land. So, children, in earth, when we all know that we all live on earth, so on earth, where do we live? As earth is made up of land, water, and air, we live on land. Where do we live? We live on land. Mountains, hills, plains, and deserts are different forms of land. Mountains, hills, plain, deserts, these all come under land. They are on land. These are all the land forms. Okay. Now, first, let's talk about plains. What are plains, children? The plains are areas of flat land. Okay, what are plains? The areas that are flat are called plains. See, this is the picture. What is this? It is a flat land. It is a flat grassland. So it is a plain. It is a plain. Okay. Next, mountains and hills. Mountains and hills are higher areas that rise above the plains. What are mountains and hills? Children, the areas that are higher than the plains are called the mountains and hills. See, these are the mountains. What are these? These are the mountains, and these are the hills. Okay, now children, what is the difference between mountains and hills? See, children, what is the difference? The pointed part is called the peak. Okay, and the higher mountains, higher land are called mountains, and the lower lands are called the hills. They are called the hills. Mountains are pointed at the top, whereas the hills are rounded at the top. And mountains are much more higher than hills. Okay, and mountains are pointed, but the hills are rounded or curved at the top. So this is the difference between mountains and hills. Okay. Now, children, we are going to talk about desert. We are going to talk about desert. What are desert, children? Deserts are hot and dry parts of land. What are deserts? The hot and dry part of the land is called desert. Okay, they are covered with sands or rocks. The desert is covered with sand or rocks. Okay, and deserts are very hot and dry. The temperature there is very hot and dry. It is very hot over there, and it is covered with sand all over. See, look here. This is a desert. You can only see here sand and rocks, right? and there is very little vegetation over there, means the plants and animals you see there are very less. And the animal that you mostly see in the deserts are camels. So camel is also known as the ship of the desert because it can walk very easily on land. So the animal that you can found in the desert is camel. Okay. So children, today we are going to learn only about the this.